हेमाटोलॉजी हेमाटोलॉजी वारफेरिन टॉक्सिसिटी ट्रीटमेंट। वारफेरिन टॉक्सिसिटी के ट्रीटमेंट में एक्यूट अगर है तो फिर हम देंगे फ्रेश फ्रोजन प्लाज्मा। अगर क्रॉनिक वारफेरिन टॉक्सिसिटी होगी तो फिर विटामिन के। एक्यूट वारफेरिन टॉक्सिसिटी में फ्रेश फ्रोजन प्लाज्मा और क्रॉनिक वारफेरिन टॉक्सिसिटी में विटामिन के। क्रायोप्रेसिपिटेट देते हैं इन डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ फैक्टर 8 एंड फैक्टर 13। अगर फैक्टर 8 डेफिशिएंसी है और फैक्टर 8 अवेलेबल है तो फिर हम उसको फैक्टर 8 कॉन्सेंट्रेट देंगे। अगर फैक्टर 8 अवेलेबल नहीं है तो फिर हम क्रायोप्रेसिपिटेट देंगे। इसके अलावा क्रायोप्रेसिपिटेट इज गिवन इन फैक्टर 13 डेफिशिएंसी, फैक्टर 8 डेफिशिएंसी, वॉन विल्सन फैक्टर डेफिशिएंसी एंड फिब्रिनोजन डेफिशिएंसी। Cryoprecipitate is given in factor 8 deficiency, factor 13 deficiency, von Willebrand factor and fibrinogen deficiency. Washed RBCs. Washed RBCs transfusing washed RBCs components usually prevent allergic or hypersensitivity reaction. Whole blood for 3 days is given to a soldier with heavy bleeding. Fresh frozen plasma for factor 9 deficiency. Fresh frozen plasma for factor 9 deficiency. And acute warfarin toxicity and in severe liver disease to combat bleeding disorder. Fresh frozen plasma for factor 9 deficiency, acute warfarin toxicity and in severe liver diseases to combat bleeding disorder. Stored blood. First factor lost from the stored blood is 2,3 dpg due to decrease in pH and lead to increase in oxygen affinity. Stored blood is deficient of factor 5 and 8. Hemolysis occurs which result in raised plasma hemoglobin. So stored blood, the first factor which is lost is 2,3 dpg due to decrease in pH and lead to increase in oxygen affinity. Stored blood is deficient in factor 5 and 8 and stored blood में hemolysis occurs which result in raised plasma hemoglobin HB. Key difference. Buffy coat, the fraction of an anticoagulant simple blood sample that contain most of the white blood cell and platelets. Buffy coat in the fraction of an anticoagulant blood sample that contain most of the white blood cells and platelets, it has a buffy coat. Serum. If the whole blood is allowed to clot and the clot is removed, remaining fluid is called serum or plasma. Minus factor serum or plasma minus factor 2, 5, 8 and fibrinogen is called serum. Serum plasma. Serum is equals to plasma minus clotting factor. So what is serum? Serum is equals to plasma minus clotting factor. So serum, if the whole blood is allowed to clot and the clot is removed, that is called serum, or plasma minus factor 2, 5, 8 and fibrinogen. So and the serum is equals to plasma minus clotting factors, that is 2, 5, 8 and fibrinogen. Factor 7 is present both in plasma and serum. Hematocrit. Factor 7 is present in both plasma and serum. Hematocrit, percentage of blood which is cells, that is RBCs, WBCs and platelets, is called hematocrit. The normal value is 40 to 45%. Low hematocrit is in anemia and high hematocrit in high altitude, chronic smoker, lung disease and tumors. High hematocrit in high altitude, chronic smoker, lung disease and tumors. Low hematocrit in anemia and high hematocrit in high altitude, chronic smoker, lung disease and tumors. Plasma. Plasma is part of ECF, which is identical to interstitial fluid but contains 7% proteins, while interstitial fluid contains 2% protein. All plasma proteins are formed in liver except gamma globulin, which is formed in reticuloendothelial cells, plasma cells and lymphocytes. Albumin is most common plasma protein. So plasma is that part of ECF which is identical to interstitial fluid but plasma contain 7% protein, while interstitial फ्लूइड कंटेन 2% प्रोटीन, इंटरस्टिशियल फ्लूइड में 2% और प्लाज्मा में 7% प्रोटीन. ऑल प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन आर formed in liver except gamma globulin, which is formed in reticuloendothelial cells, plasma cells, and lymphocytes. Gamma globulins are formed in reticuloendothelial cells, plasma cells, and lymphocytes. Albumin is the most common plasma protein. Albumin is most common plasma protein. Storage of blood products. Whole blood is stored at 4 degrees Celsius for 3 weeks. Whole blood is stored at 4 degrees Celsius at 3 weeks. Packed cells RBCs are stored at 1 to 6 degrees for 35 days. PCVs या RBCs are stored at 1 to 6 degrees for 35 days. FFP and cryoprecipitate can be stored at minus 40 degrees Celsius for 2 years. Fresh frozen plasma and cryoprecipitate can be stored for 2 years at minus 40 degrees Celsius. Platelets are stored at 22 degrees Celsius for 5 days. Platelets are stored at 22 degrees Celsius for 5 days, and platelets are given at room temperature to optimize their function. Platelets are given at room temperature to optimize their function. So whole blood is stored at 4 degrees Celsius for 3 weeks. Packed cells for stored at 1 to 4 degrees for 1 to 6 degrees for 35 days. Fresh frozen plasma or cryoprecipitate can be stored at minus 40 degrees for 2 years, and platelets are stored at 22 degrees Celsius for 5 days. Platelets are given at room temperature to optimize their function. Red blood cells. Red blood cells, most numerous of the formed element of the blood, is red blood cells. RBCs are found in nucleate biconcave cells that stain light salmon pink with either white or Giemsa stain. RBCs have glycolytic pathway. In RBCs there is an alternate pathway of glycolysis resulting in the formation of 2,3-BPG. RBCs destroyed in spleen. Normal RBC have a diameter of 6 to 8 micrometer and the average is 7.5 micrometer. The ABO blood group are glycoprotein. ABO blood groups are glycoprotein attached to RBC surface. RBC antigen are glycoprotein and are secreted in saliva. Cells which use glucose is RBC, and organ which use glucose for energy is brain. So cells which use glucose for energy is RBC, and the organ which use glucose for energy is brain. Shape of RBC is maintained by spectrin. RBC stain with white or Giemsa stain. For ABG, whole blood is hyperinized. Function of RBC is to carry gases. Difference between arterial blood and venous blood is packed cell volume. Venous RBC have more chloride. RBC size is greater in veins than in arteries. 2 weeks of blood will contain only RBC. 2 weeks of blood will contain only RBC. Lifespan of RBC is 120 days. Lifespan of RBC in neonate is 70 to 90 days. Old RBC are removed in capillaries and red pulp. RBC breakdown will result in release of iron which can be reutilized. RBC able to regenerate due to erythropoietin. Blood cell able to regenerate due to growth factor. Blood cells able to regenerate due to growth factor. Total circulating blood is 8% of total body weight. Blood is not a major basic tissue. Hypoxia is the stimulation for production of erythropoietin. Blood is least irritating substance when free in peritoneal cavity. Brain can use ketone instead of glucose in starvation, while RBC can't utilize ketone, they strictly use glucose. Fate of carbon dioxide in blood. The solubility of carbon dioxide in blood is about 20 times that of oxygen. Therefore, considerably more carbon dioxide than oxygen is present in simple solution at equal partial pressure, because the carbon dioxide in blood is 20 times that of the oxygen according to solubility. So carbon dioxide is present more than oxygen in blood at equal partial pressures. Carbon dioxide that diffuses into the red blood cell is rapidly hydrated to H2CO3 bicarbonate. H2CO3 because the presence of carbonic anhydrase. The carbonic anhydrase convert carbon dioxide to H2CO3. The H2CO3 dissociates to hydrogen and bicarb HCO3, and the hydrogen is buffered primarily by hemoglobin, while HCO3 enters the plasma. Some of the carbon dioxide in the red cells reacts with the amine group of the hemoglobin and other proteins, forming carbamino compounds. About 11% of the carbon dioxide added to the blood in the systemic capillaries is carried to the lungs as carbamino CO2. So कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो H2CO3 बनता है कार्बनिक एनहाइड्रेस की वजह से वो जो है वो डिसोसिएट हो जाता है इन हाइड्रोजन आयन एंड बाइकार्ब। बाइकार्ब जो प्लाज्मा में चला जाता है, इनमें एंटर हो जाता है, और जो हाइड्रोजन आयन है वो बफर हो जाता है, यानी कि वो एज अ बफर यूज़ होता है। अब उसके बाद क्या होता है कि जो बाइकार्ब है जो प्लाज्मा में चला गया, इसके अलावा जो कुछ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है वो रेड सेल के साथ रिएक्ट करती है और उसके जो अमाइन ग्रुप ऑफ हेमोग्लोबिन के साथ मिलके बना लेती है कार्बोमाइनो कंपाउंड्स। ठीक है, और ये चला जाता है कहाँ पर, लंग्स में, और फिर वहाँ पे आके कार्बोमाइनो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है वो फिर रिलीज हो जाती है। ठीक है, नाउ क्लोराइड शिफ्ट because the rise in bicarb content of the red cells is much greater than that in the plasma. As the blood passes through the capillaries, about 70% of the bicarb formed in the red cells enters the plasma. The excess bicarb leaves the red cells in exchange for chloride. This process is mediated by anion exchanger 1, formerly called band 3, a major membrane protein in the red blood cell. Because of this chloride shift, the chloride content of the red blood cell in venous blood is significantly greater than that in the arterial blood. The chloride shift occurs rapidly and essentially complete within 1 second. Note that for each carbon dioxide molecule added to a red blood cell, there is an increase of one osmotically active particle in the cell, entered either by an HCO3 or a chloride in the red blood cell. Consequently, the red blood cells take up water and increase in size. For this reason, plus the fact that a small amount of fluid in the arterial blood returns by the lymphatics rather than veins, the hematocrit of the venous blood is normally 3% greater than that of the arterial blood. In the lungs, the chloride moves out of the cells and they shrink. Venous blood have more bicarb. 90% of the carbon dioxide is primarily transported in the arterial blood as bicarbonate. 90% of the carbon dioxide is primarily transported in the arterial blood as a bicarbonate. Blood volumes. 90 ml per kg of the body weight or 5 liters in men of 70 kg. 90 ml per kg या 5 liter in a man of 70 kg. Physiological variation. Age. In infant, blood volume is greater in proportion to body weight but lesser in proportion to body surface. Sex, in male, blood volume is greater than female due to greater RBC count. In pregnancy, blood volume increase due to increase in cells and plasma. And age में infant blood volume is greater in proportion to the body weight but lesser in proportion to the body surface. And sex में male में ज़्यादा होता है blood volume and then female due to greater RBC count. Pregnancy, blood volume increases due to increase in cells and plasma. In exercise, blood volume increase due to muscle and spleen contraction. Posture, in erect posture, blood volume decreases because plasma passes out into the tissue spaces. And blood pressure, increase blood pressure decrease. Increased blood pressure decreases the blood volume by shifting more fluid into the tissues. Altitude, increased altitude increases the blood volume due to hypoxia, that increases the RBC count. Physique, blood volume is less in obese because adipose tissue has less water. And site of erythropoiesis. Intrauterine, in early few weeks yolk sac में न्यूक्लिएटेड RBCs बनते हैं. In early few weeks the yolk sac produces is the site of erythropoiesis. Yolk sac is the site of erythropoiesis where nucleated RBCs are formed. So early few weeks में yolk sac nucleated RBCs and middle trimester में liver mainly and last month and after birth exclusively in bone marrow. Middle trimester में liver and last month and after birth mainly and exclusively bone marrow. After birth until 5 years all bone marrow. 5 to 20 years bone marrow of long bones become yellow except proximal humerus and tibia. After 20 years in the marrow of membranous bone, for example vertebrae, sternum and ileum, and there is no erythropoiesis occurs in kidney. वहाँ से erythropoietin रिलीज होता है, erythropoiesis नहीं होती. After birth until 5 years of age तक all bone marrow does erythropoiesis. Then 5 to 20 years तक bone marrow of long bones become yellow and only the proximal part of humerus and tibia में होती है erythropoiesis. और after 20 years in the bone marrow of membranous bones like vertebrae, sternum and ileum. Stages of erythropoiesis. PB Pro. Proerythroblast. Hemoglobin synthesis begin in this stage. Proerythroblast में hemoglobin synthesis begin in this stage. Proerythroblast. PB4 stage of erythropoiesis. सबसे पहले proerythroblast जिसमें hemoglobin synthesis begin in as a proerythroblast. Then PB, B से basophil erythroblast या early normoblast. Basophil erythroblast या early normoblast जिसमें there is very little hemoglobin, nuclei disappear. Polychromophil erythroblast or intermediate normoblast. Hemoglobin starts appearing and there is enough hemoglobin. There is polychromasia, that is red cell stain shades of blue-gray as a consequence of uptake of both eosin by hemoglobin and basic dye residual ribosomal RNA found in bleeding hemolysis or response to hemostatic factor replacement. So there is a polychromasia. Eosin की वजह से by hemoglobin and basic dyes uptake by ribosomal RNA, residual ribosomal RNA. It's found in bleeding hemolysis or response to hemostatic factor replacement. Then orthochromatic erythroblast, orthochromatic erythroblast or late normoblast.